Could you go any slower?
I have to stop in my locker first.
Seriously, Mr. Anderson's gonna kill us.
What's he gonna do? Quote William Faulkner at us?
Just come on, I gotta keep my streak. It's day 187.
Fine, go ahead. I'll catch up.
Your funeral, loser.
Achoo!
Please. Quiet. I've had a really, really long day.
And she was screaming and crying about how much she hated her job, and I just slipped out. I don't think anyone saw me, but I don't know how I got there, and I do not know what to do.
That's a good story.
I swear to God it happened.
So you sneezed and...
And I teleported into a classroom. Yeah, or something. I'm not even sick.
Interesting.
I mean, I understand wanting to miss English, but I don't think he'd believe that one.
Come on, do you think I wanted the trauma of watching Miss Johnson have a mental breakdown in front of a bunch of freshmen?
Yeah, that would suck.
Scientifically, it's not plausible.
I don't know. Achoo! Oh my God!
What was that?
Was that one of you?
Oh my God!
How long were you under there?
What were you doing under there? You didn't see anything, did you?
Oh my God.
No, I'm sorry. It was. I just can't believe it.
How even?
I don't even know.
Well, see, every time you sneeze, somehow you manage to open up an Einstein-Rosen bridge, some other random place in the area, which could be due to space-time fluctuations or gamma radiation or maybe wormholes. It's gotta be wormholes.
That's too extreme.
Well, so is sneezing and teleporting other places, but that's obviously happening, so...
So, if you sneeze, could you end up in, Canada or something?
Yeah, but you see, there are hot hockey players in Canada, so I wouldn't complain. Wait. Look. I'm gonna marry him. Please.
Not if I do first.
You guys are so weird. Come on, we're gonna be late.
Hey, I was thinking, if this sneezing thing sticks around, we could turn it into a superpower or something.
I'd just like it to go away.
No, just think about it. Sneeze girl. Okay, so if you don't like sneeze girl, what about the super sneeze? Or, the amazing achoo. Okay, how about gazoon-type gal?
It's too hard to spell. And plus, who says I want to be a superhero anyways?
No, now it's possible. It'll be great. We can get you a costume like Wonder Woman with the...
Hey.
Hi.
So, Dana, the dance is coming up, and I know you haven't been asked yet, so I was just thinking... No? I mean, you wouldn't even have to fill out an application. What?
Dana! Shh! What are you doing in here?
What?
Why are you in the boys' bathroom?
I just got asked to homecoming by Jake Martin.
That doesn't explain anything.
What? I sneezed here.
You sneezed away on purpose.
Of course not. It's Jake Martin.
I thought you didn't like him.
It's just nice to be asked.
So you want to stop sneezing?
Yeah.
Okay, well, a sneeze is a spasmodic reaction due to the interaction of airwaves and nasal passages.
You're just saying scientific words.
You stop sneezing by looking at a light and saying pineapple.
That makes sense.
Pineapple.
I'm not sure how scientifically accurate this is.
Whatever, it's worth a try. Oh no.
What is it? What is it?
I feel a sneeze coming on.
Look at the light!
I'm looking at the light.
Keep looking at the light!
I'm looking at the light!
Say it! Say pineapple!
Pineapple, pineapple, pineapple! It's gone.
You don't have to sneeze.
I don't have to sneeze.
Awesome!
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh no.
Come on, I gotta keep my streak. It's day 187. Your funeral, loser.